Hello viewers, welcome to Physiology. In this video, our focus is mainly on the respiratory volumes, which is also referred to as the capacities of the lungs. These are indeed associated with the process of breathing, where we know breathing is a physical process in which the atmospheric air is taken in and forced out of the oxygen absorbing organs present in the respiratory system. Now, let's get started with the different terminologies and try to understand them with more clarity. The first is the total lung capacity. This is the maximum air that can be held at any time in the two lungs. This may amount to 6 liters, or we may call it as 6,000 milliliters. Generally, age, gender, body composition and ethnicity are the factors that affect lung capacities. The total lung capacity rapidly increases from birth to adolescence, and it attains a plateau by 25 years of age. If you have heard of the disease COPD, which is called the chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, this usually includes a group of lung diseases that block the airflow and lead to difficulty in breathing. In that case, the lung capacity may not be as high as 6 liters. Even all other lung capacities that I'll speak to you would show variations. But what I'm speaking is about the lung capacity of a full grown human and with normal limits for each of them. So we come to the tidal volume. This is the air which can be breathed in or breathed out in a normal quiet breathing. That is, quiet means unforced breathing. For this, it can go as high as 500 milliliters. This tidal volume includes the dead air space, that is the tidal air which is left in the respiratory passage such as the trachea and the bronchi, where no diffusion of gases take place. This is approximately 150 milliliters. It also includes the alveolar air, which is the tidal air contained in the air sacs, because they are never completely squeezed out of the total air. So this amounts to around 350 milliliters. Now we know 350 milliliters of alveolar air and 150 milliliters of dead air space. That is equal to the tidal volume that we take in by unforced breathing. Next we come to the rest of the lung capacities, which we can help our body by allowing it to take extra air or to expel out the extra air. So we are coming to the inspiratory reserve volume now. Inspiratory reserve volume is the air that can be drawn in forcibly over and above the tidal volume. This is approximately 3000 milliliters, and this inspiratory reserve volume is also known by the name complemental air, because this complements over the tidal volume. Next we come across the inspiratory capacity. So this inspiratory capacity is nothing other than the inspiratory reserve volume plus the tidal volume. So we would say the inspiratory capacity is the total volume of the air a person can breathe in after a normal expiration. Then, are the expiratory reserve volume similar to the inspiratory reserve volume? What are your expectations? Let me tell you, these cannot be equal. How much we can take in forcefully, we really cannot give out that much air even when expelled forcefully. This is because of certain residual volume left in the air sacs and because of the dead air space and the alveolar air. So, how much is the expiratory reserve volume? This accounts for only 1000 milliliter. So, expiratory reserve volume is the air that can be forcibly expelled out after normal expiration. This is also called the supplemental air. As I've already stated, this can go as high as 1000 milliliters. Then we come across the vital capacity. It is the volume of the air that can be taken in and expelled out by maximum inspiration and expiration. This accounts for 4500 milliliters. While I was speaking about the inspiratory capacity and the expiratory reserve volume, I always told you they are not equal because of the air which is left in different places of the respiratory tract. So here we are coming across the residual volume, which is one big factor for the differences between the IRV and ERV. So let us see what is this residual volume. Some air is always left in the lungs even after forcibly breathing out. This is called the leftover air or the residual air. This accounts for 1500 milliliters. And the total lung capacity, as I have already mentioned, is the maximum air that the two lungs can hold at any particular time. And this for a human adult with proper respiratory system has 6 liters capacity. If you want to enjoy a healthy life and show proper growth, naturally it is very necessary to complement your body with proper amount of air breathed in, because directly or indirectly it helps in the development of the body, and proper growth, development and capacity to defend diseases is also because of how much energy we get produced in our system. And you know, this respiratory volumes are indeed related to the energy production in the body by the process of respiration. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.